changes almost daily or by the hour, depending on where I am and what I'm doing and what I may be feeling that day. There were so many amazing works of art. And I think the one I do often come back to, though, which is currently off view, it'll come back out in fall, is Cornelia Parker's Edge of England, which many people know. It is unique in that it's suspended from the ceiling. It's really a sculpture with suspended pieces of chalk from the cliffs of Dover in England, and it has an incredible presence on its own, even if you wouldn't know the story behind it. I like that she's a female artist. I like that she takes on a lot of difficult subjects in her work. For me, I have a little bit of a personal resonance with it because my grandfather fought in World War II, and he would never talk about it until very near the end of his life. And he was a navigator, and one of the very few things he said about the war was that when they would fly back over a bombing mission, when he saw the cliffs of Dover, he knew he was safe. And that piece is the artist took falling pieces from the cliffs and installed them in this sort of suspended magical moment. I just love how children react to it too. There's awe, and they often want to revisit it.